Do you hear it?
Not yet.
Yo, YouTube. I'm gonna put this on YouTube and freaking show you guys this shit. Watch, you'll hear it. What the fuck is that? Sounds like a trumpet or something. Holy fuck. You hear that? Where'd she go? Fuck, that's crazy, man. The fuck is that sound? What do you think of that is? I think it's like one of those things that shovel snow. I'm thinking.
You know what? When it was like finding stuff on
And
the
it's like
phone,
rubbing against
she said she found out
the
that
ground.
in Lithuania the quake's moving. Right? Huh? Yeah, this thing.
But it just sounds like it's coming from over there. Like, it's not coming from like up in the sky. Or I don't know. Either way, nobody knows the mystery of the sound that's coming from over there. Is it a trumpet? Or is it what I said it is? To be continued.